The Palm Forest Walk at Sheepstation Creek in the World Heritage listed Border Ranges National Park. It is part of the Gondwana Rainforests of New South Wales. In the previous video we visited Sheepstation Creek campground, and this time we take the easy 2 km Palm Forest Walk, which follows an historic logging track through subtropical rainforest. The walk features ancient brushbox trees and bangalow palms, which are also known as piccabean palms. It is noted for its wildlife, especially native birds. The eastern yellow robin is common in the area and is among the oldest songbirds on Earth. It is worth taking a closer look at the native cordyline, as the tiny flowers are very beautiful. Where there is a boundary between the dry eucalypt forest and the closed canopy rainforest, it is usually formed by changes in soil quality or fire behavior. This area is favored by birds like the eastern whipbird, which we heard several times. In open areas, it is wise to be more alert, as reptiles need the sun to recharge their energy levels. Staghorn ferns thrive here, as they grow best in filtered indirect sunlight and warm humid conditions. You will see them at different stages of development, from their tiny beginnings to giant ferns that can be decades old. Mosses belong to the oldest plant life on Earth. They are found thriving in the warm, moist environment of the rainforest. The wampu fruit dove is so named because of the low wampu call it makes. They eat rainforest fruit, thus helping to spread the seeds. We associate hanging vines with rainforests, and there were plenty on this walk. Although the Grade 3 Palm Forest track is well defined and considered easy, there are some steep sections. As we descend, the sound of running water intensifies and the air becomes more humid and cooler. At last we arrive at Sheepstation Creek, where small footbridges aid our crossing in several places. Here the track's name is very apt, as the forest of bangalow palms soars overhead and forms the canopy. In 1886, the cedar getters began to cart this valuable timber out of the forest on bullock wagons, and eventually down to the Richmond River, where they were floated to the river mouth for shipment. The place where some of the cedar getters carved their names into the rock at the waterhole can still be seen today. This is a beautiful spot to pause and take in the peaceful surroundings. In the next video, we continue past this tangle of fallen giants to reach Brushbox Falls. Join us on the next leg of this beautiful walk at Sheepstation Creek at Deborah Brown-IT5LN.